So it looks like Walmart has put out quite a bit for Christmas already. I was just here and found all kinds of Halloween decor, so let's take a look at what they're putting out. So we'll get started with some Christmas decor. They've got some great deals right now. They did this 14-inch metal envelope for $7.88. Now it does have Merry Christmas on it in black paint, and it's raised. So you might be able to get off the black paint if you just want it plain, but it is stamped with Merry Christmas. They also have the old-fashioned North Pole posts. Now these were out last year, very popular in red and green. This year they're galvanized and red for $13.98. Super good price. For $18.88 they brought back the sleighs. So I've only found it in these two prints. They've got the poinsettia on a faux wood in Season's Greetings, and farm fresh Christmas trees cut and carry on red with some green detail. This one I am seriously considering bringing home. They brought back some lanterns this year for $24.98. They've got this massive red lantern. They do have the smaller version for $19.98. And in galvanized metal, more of a nautical look, they have this one, also $24.98 for the large and $19.98 for the small. That one's got a rope hanger, and these ones have metal hangers. Down here they've got some LED. These are called flame glowing, and they do have a really nice flicker. They're plastic for $9.98, and then the larger one for $14.98. For $1.98 they have a few 4-inch metal luminaries. They've got the snowflake. This one is the Christmas tree, a reindeer on gold, and in galvanized in the Christmas tree. This year they brought back the house lanterns. This one is galvanized. They also have it in red for $4.98. And down below for $4.98 they have a few lanterns to choose from in the smaller size, and for $6.98 in the larger. For $2.98 they did a few more holiday luminaries. They all come in silver and red. This one is the reindeer. They also have it in the snowflake, comfort and joy, and this one that I'm seriously considering in red. Is that a poinsettia or is that a snowflake? I think I'm gonna call it a snowflake. They've got more metal luminaries. These are almost like a little paper bag in metal. $2.98. They've got the reindeer, the snowflake, and the tree. First off, they have a banner in Merry Christmas for $7.98. It's red and black buffalo check. They also have a tag style sign for $7.98 as well. This one is wooden, Jingle All the Way. For $1.98 they have a couple of little hanging owls. This one in the black and white buffalo check, also in the red and in the plaid. For $4.48 they have a couple of wooden signs. This one in green in joy, and the red one is Noel. Next to those for $6.98 they have a couple of rocking horses. This one is the reindeer. They also have the black bear. And for $4.78 they have a few standing stuffed trees. So this is 3 different prints. They've got the buffalo check in the red and black. They all have a wooden cork looking base. They've got it in the green with the white stitching, and also in the plaid, lots of red and green. For $16.98 they have a super cute red truck, little black lab in the back with a couple of bottle brush trees, a little wooden Merry Christmas sign, and a little wreath on the front. Above that, for $6.98, they have a few enamel signs, fresh cut Christmas trees. It also comes in the snowman, believe in the magic, and home for the holidays. And to go along with the red truck theme, they did a wreath. This one is a grapevine style for $19.98. It's got the little wooden red truck with Christmas Tree Farms We Deliver sign on it. A little bit of snow. Over here, they've got more ornaments for $3.98. Faith. So these are just a cork backing. It also comes in Hope in the red buffalo check and in Joy on the black and white buffalo check. For $6.98, they did a couple of wooden hanging signs. This one is the polar bear in Welcome. They also have it in the moose in Welcome on gray. More trees to choose from. These are a little bit smaller size for $3.48. They come in the same colors and they're just slightly smaller than the others. For $2.48, they have a few buffalo check gifts all wrapped up in flannel. It also comes in the plaid with a little bit of greenery there on top. And for $3.98, they did some boxed signs, Merry Christmas and Country Christmas. This year they did a couple of owls that are super cute. The smaller ones are $2.98 and come in all three prints of buffalo check and plaid. The larger ones are $4.98 and come in all three prints. If deer are more your speed, they do have a couple to choose from. All of them come in two sizes. The smaller is $4.48 and the larger one is $5.98. They all have grapevine antlers, little felt legs, and scarves. For $7.98, they did a 4-foot garland. This one in wooden beads, plaid, and sweater print. For $4.98, and for $4.98, they did a few For $4.98, they did a few little birdies, one in burlap, a little snowman, this one in red. It's got some plaid on the back, and this little guy in buffalo check with a red knit hat. For $9.94, they did a tall red burlap sack in Season's Greetings with a moose on it. And for the same price, they did a little wooden crate with farm fresh Christmas trees on the end. For $5.98, they did some really cute wire baskets with flannel liners. This one in the red and this one in green. And along with this collection, they did two Santas that are super cute, and the price is even better. Go ahead and give a guess as to what you think it is down below in the comments. They've got this one in the red and black with some fur trim. He's got some greenery and a black lantern. And this guy with a red and green plaid suit, little burlap sack full of gifts, and all the good boys and girls on his list. For $19.98, they have these tall galvanized tins full of greenery. One's just got a little bit more white to it than the other. They've got a lot of these tag style hanging signs to choose from, a few in Season's Greetings and in Merry Christmas. They also did some in black, in Merry and Bright with the red and black ribbon, and in Merry Christmas with the black and white buffalo check. This year they've got a lot of wreaths to choose from. Most of them are $17.47. Got one with antlers, up here with some pine cones and cinnamon sticks. They've also got some poinsettias and some flocked. They've got tons of pre-made bows to choose from and lots of ribbon. So I think these will be very popular for $4.98. They come in a few different buffalo checks, some natural burlap, and this one that I think is gorgeous. They brought these back from last year. These are all returning. Some more red and black. And this one with the snowflake is super pretty. For $7.98, they have all of the larger rolls of ribbon. And for $3.98, a really good price. They've got some popular prints. This is 30 feet, and it does come in the black and white and red and black buffalo check. So we will come back soon and look at all of their miniature tree ornaments they're putting out. These I think are going to be very popular in the black and white. They also have a little tree skirt and some super cute ornament sets this year for $1.98. So we're going to come back really soon to take a look at all of the ornaments they're putting out. They did a really good job this year. I love these little mailboxes. Before we head out today, I'm going to show you guys a few things that I'm finding over in the kitchen and dish area of my Walmart that are new out for fall. So now I'm in my dishes aisle, and there's just a few things I want to show you guys. They're putting out these little utensil caddies, and I thought they were so cute for $9.97. They've got this one and the spider webs with a spider on top, and a couple of serving trays. This one shaped like a coffin with the spider webs. Those are $6.88. For $5.98, they have a few pie pans. This one in teal's got the leaves, and then they've got the one in the pumpkins, in the orange. Up here they've got the 9x13s. This one's stuck, so hopefully you guys can see it. The orange one's got the pumpkins. They've got a few table runners for $11.88. This one in the leaves and the buffalo check. It's really nice. Lots of dishes that coordinate. They've got the bowls, some blue in there. These are $9.97. Got some chargers and copper for 98 cents. A platter. That one's $9.97. They have all the pumpkin dishes, $3.98. And then the smaller. That one's got the leaves on it. And the bowls. It's like a pasta bowl. For $3.98, they have the pumpkin terrines back. So looks like they've got a really nice creamy white, the gray, a pretty green, and the orange. So those are $3.98. Down here, they've got the larger pumpkin in a cookie jar for $9.97, and a red truck full of pumpkins, cookie jar, as well as this one that matches all the dishware. They've got a lot of vinyl tablecloths to choose from. These are all $3.96. At my other Walmart, they had the buffalo check, which they don't have here, but they have it in the fabric tablecloths. These are all right around $10, $9.98, and they come in different sizes. I'm seeing 102 inches, 84, and 70. Down here, 52 by 70. They've got the harvest print on the vinyl. And then I think I've got a good idea for these. So along with the dishes, they've got all kinds of candles and wax melts for the season. But they do have a few more pieces of decor over here. For $14.94, they have the houses back. This time they're black. They're by Better Homes and Gardens. Little house lanterns. Actually not little at all. Let me show you guys. Really pretty. Now I'm gonna think about that. Super cute. They've got a tray for $14.98, Home Sweet Home. Some more lanterns. These are $13.96 or 86. Up here they've got more centerpieces for $12.94. And then the black lanterns for $13.86. They've got some floral in a wooden box with some metal detail. You guys know I love that little bit of corn husk for $14.98. Down here they've got a tray in metal, black with some gold handles for $11.98. And then for $9.98, a beautiful mustard pillow in grateful. The back side, sort of a gray, almost blue and white stripe. Lots of fun new things. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Walmart today. This is definitely just a preview, and we will be back soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.